Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is one of my favourite hydrangeas. Flowers from July, very soon starting to flower. Now it's only a young plant, right through until the end of September. It's a hydrangea called Pinky Winky. And Hydrangea Pinky Winky is called Pinky Winky because it starts off first, it's got white flowers, large conical like white flowers like that first. Really enormous flowers. That's one from in flower. Full flower last summer here in the nursery, and that's a shot as we went into late summer and autumn. They turn pink, so you have white first and then they turn pink. Height realistically about 4.5 feet high, 1.20 m plus high, and about a decent metre across. Cut them hard back in spring every year to make sure they throw up lots of fresh growth. You can see how hard we cut this one back last spring, right down to there, and then it throws up lovely fresh young branches like that and flowers on the end of those young branches. This time of year to plant Hydrangea Pinky Winky, decent sized planting hole. Don't forget that Super Thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom. It's well composting soil on top, and it's well composting the soil back in and around again. Feed regularly with Flower Max and you get lots and lots of enormous white flowers first, like that, and then as you move into late summer and autumn they turn pink like that. But really great fun hydrangea to grow. Great big strong stems as well, doesn't flop over, it's able to hold itself up very well. This Hydrangea Pinky Winky can be planted from now. Bye for now, enjoy your garden.